Now for a video that doesn't take place in my garage, because there's clearly no car here. And yes, for anyone that wants to comment, I did blow a manifold gasket immediately. It was my fault. I have the nice brand new MLS gasket sitting here. I put the cheap shitty China ones in it because I was out of time and the MLS gaskets had not arrived yet. And they showed up just a couple days before the dyno, and I thought, oh, these things will survive one dyno. No. I think like the first pull, we just clean blew that gasket right out of there. So there's that. I know about it. You can still comment about it if you'd like. You can hear it in every single video and it's terrible. That was about it. It wasn't super exciting. Nothing really went wrong. All the pulls leading up to the final pull, we had 13.5, 14 degrees of timing in it, so we were not leaning out by any means. We didn't spend a lot of time at each boost interval. I wasn't really interested in finding peak power at 10 pounds. Let's be real. If you know math, this car is going to live at full tilt 25 pounds its whole life. So I didn't see the point in flogging this SBE, trying to find peak numbers down low. So we moved through it pretty quick, basically 5-pound increments up to our 25-pound goal. You saw the numbers it made. The timing stayed the same there, that 13.5, all the way till the last pull. So we made that, the second to last pull was at 985. That was on 21.5 pounds. So I knew the 1,000 was within reach. The car was still super happy. We had plenty of fuel. It looked like we had plenty of turbo left. So I knew we were gonna get on that pull, but I wanted to make damn sure I didn't have to do it twice. So we decided to give it one more degree of timing, bring it to like 15 degrees of timing, and then we bumped it shooting for 25. It ended up being 24.4, I believe, on that final pull, or 24.5. But it was enough. Got us to 10.25. That was more than I was looking for out of the car. I was super happy with it. We didn't have any failures. The only failure I had is I popped the fuse, my fuel pump, max fuel pump, I should say. I had a 30 amp in there. I don't know why. Other than that, the only mechanical failure the car had is the drive shaft, which was just cut and balanced at a pretty reputable shop, tossed the weight off of it, about 4 pulls in, I would assume. So whatever, it's fine. We'll get that fixed up. Other than that, we're gonna get this thing back to Matt. He did request a radio to go in it, so I'm gonna throw a radio on it this week. But other than that, we're about done with this thing. So look forward to some more videos of Matt getting to drive this thing, do some testing. I'm sure he'll have it at every event he can get his hands on. So stand by for more. And I believe our winner of the dyno contest was Mark Swanson, who guessed 1017, which is a very close guess. He was only off by 8 horse, so there was a lot of super close ones. If you got a minute, go check out Brian Gadecki's comment on the YouTube channel. Just about spot on nailed it. So other than that, though, Mark, you're the winner. So if you want to go ahead and message me, we'll get some stuff sent over to you.